Casting these large flies is not overly hard, but at the same time, it's not pretty. You simply allow the fly to land on the water behind you and let the water load the rod. Then all you do is lob the fly forward.
Oh yeah.
You gotta dance, you gotta dance. It's actually a northern.
It's a northern. I was going to say it's a pike. It's a pike. Well, it's in the same family. Oh, he definitely committed himself.
Just gonna let this swing, guys. I'm getting you some good sunlighting, I hope. But I can't drop anchor till I get here.
No, he's definitely hooked though.
Yeah. Oh, he's only on the tongue. But you got him.
I got him. Oh yeah. Now.
It's a northern. Look at that. You son of a gun.
You got him, buddy?
Yeah.
There's what Ontario has.
Oh, they're nice.
Fly caught pike. We were actually after a muskie, but that's okay. Great fight. Great fight.
I'm all wet. Yep. Just letting them get some water and some oxygen. He gave us a tussle there. He's had a lot more hook pressure than Come on, buddy. There we go. Come on. Yep. Come on.
There he goes. Excellent, excellent. A bonus when you're smallmouth fishing, there is pike and muskie around. Huh. Well, I'm going to try that again. We had a muskie first take a swipe at it and he missed. And as it began to bring the fly back, a pike came and took it. So anything can happen. This is great. This is wonderful. Oh, wow. And again, overhanging trees and banks. If you can, camera will get a shot of that. This is where we're taking them, and I'm casting as close as I can to the bank. There's a chance you'll get hung up, but it's worth the chance. As you've seen, it pays off.